This morning coming in, videos all looked amazing. NOAA actually has a really cool image from the satellite where you can see the rocket actually taking off. Very, very cool. Back here at home, a beautiful day on this Wednesday. Plenty of sunshine. We do have a few clouds filling in, and we're going to see more clouds as we go throughout your day today. So you can see where we have some denser clouds just to our north. That's all associated with the cold front that we have draped across the state. So as it moves further to the south, we should see just a few showers, clouds building in, but eventually behind it, some cooler and drier air that we've been waiting for will finally settle in as we go throughout the rest of this work week. And guess what? It's going to stick around for a couple of days. So here we go in the radar, couple of hour time lapse there. We do have most of the shower activity for the western half of the state, just right along Charlotte County. Not much really happening on our coast just yet, but it can generate a few isolated showers throughout the remainder of your late afternoon hours and also into the evening. So be on the lookout for that. But prefrontal conditions, we are dealing with a very, very warm wind, that southwesterly flow. And whenever we have winds out of the southwest, our temperatures tend to heat up very quickly. Temperatures already in the mid 80s for West Palm to Vero Beach, and we should see temperatures today topping out in the upper 80s this afternoon. So very close to record heat for this date, which is 88 degrees, well above our average, which is 80. And then after the front passes, temperatures well below average Thursday all the way through the weekend with only the mid to upper 70s. So as you put this into motion on the future track, we have a nice shift of winds coming in from the north after the fronts to the south. Very breezy at times with high pressure building in behind it. So that's going to kick up the winds at times throughout your Thursday, on top of it being a little bit cooler. So definitely some jacket weather for us here in South Florida. And then as we go throughout the rest of the week, those winds will continue to stay pretty breezy at times with gusts in the 20s. But we are going to see a little bit more of an onshore flow starting Friday, Saturday. So that's just going to give us a chance for just a few spotty showers in the forecast, but really nothing significant. So best chance of rain Wednesday, isolated, Thursday, isolated, slightly drier for your Friday and even into your Saturday. So today looking gorgeous, upper 80s in the forecast, isolated showers. And then tonight, temperatures a little bit cooler for our inland communities. We're going to hold on to the cloud coverage, and a quick shower or two still possible even past midnight with that frontal boundary as it moves to the south. And then tomorrow there's that cool air entering, winds out of the north 15 up to 20 miles per hour, breezy at times, only the mid to upper 70s. So it's going to be a very, very cool afternoon. So hey, still hurricane season all the way through the end of the month, and we are not tracking anything in the Gulf, the Caribbean, or the Atlantic for at least the next 2 to 5 days. So looking quiet in the tropical department. So here's your forecast, the most accurate here in South Florida. Upper 80s today, upper 70s tomorrow, and the streak of 70s continues. So temperatures just below average all the way through the weekend. And then by Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we should start to see a little bit of moisture working its way back into South Florida. That's going to give us some higher rain coverage across the area and also keep temperatures in the mid 70s.
All right, Brooke, thank you so much.